The technology computational thinking artifact that I designed coincides with the Lesson 9 Happy Loops. This is designed for first graders, and for a quick review of the lesson, it's essentially learning how to put different steps in coding together in order to make loops so that it makes coding quicker, easier, and more effective for students. That being said, I'm going to get started on explaining the artifact. So the standard for this lesson is titled CSI or CS1 1.5. Identify the standard program flowchart symbols and use them correctly within the context of the basic control structures of sequence, selection, and looping. So my artifact that I've designed is essentially like a hands-on coding puzzle. So as you can see, I've created 4 different puzzles for students to use and learn with, and each one is color-coded with its own set of cards. So let's get started on explaining. As you can see, I have note cards and the puzzle itself. The point of this is so that students can use a hands-on visual aid in order to help them learn coding and how looping works. So when students are given the puzzle, the note cards are going to be mixed up and unorganized so that students won't know the correct order until they complete it. So they're going to look at the arrow and determine the direction that the puzzle is going for each step, and then the number of steps that is involved in the loop is circled to the right of the direction. This allows for them to develop coding and looping information and practices because they're actually using a hands-on looping system where they have the direction and the number that coincides with the steps. So once students understand what they're doing, they're going to go ahead and put these in order, and they're going to read from left to right. So when the students have completed this, the teacher will come around and double check and look for any errors or inaccuracies so they can help show and demonstrate students what they're doing wrong so that they can continue to learn looping in an effective manner.